In lesson number 4, which is about parallel line relationships, the first part just asks you to identify these different relationships as like alternate interior, alternate exterior, corresponding, or adjacent. Okay, so let's just kind of go through them. This is an adjacent relationship, and we know that because they're next to each other, right? So adjacent kind of means next to. All right. For this part here, right, we're looking at our parallel lines. So we have this line and this line. Okay, they're on opposite sides of the line, right? So we have A and B. So this is alternate, and then they're inside the parallel lines. Do you see that? So they're inside of the parallel lines. So we call this alternate interior. Okay, now notice on this one, our parallel lines are like this, and A and B are on the outside of the parallel lines, right? So we call this alternate exterior. Okay, so A and B are alternate exterior. And then finally here, our parallel lines, right? Like A and B are in the same spot. Do you see that? So it's like the lower right-hand corner, the lower right-hand corner. So we call this corresponding. Okay, so that's the first part. On the second part, we're just stating these angles. Okay, so now notice, let's first figure out what kind of relationship this is. We have 53 and B. Okay, so these are on the outside of the parallel lines. So this is alternate exterior. Okay, and alternate exterior angles are equal. So in this situation, B is 53 degrees. Okay, now on this one, notice we have B and 39, and they're on the inside of the parallel lines. So this is alternate interior. Okay, and in this situation, B is 39 degrees. Okay, this is the last kind of problem you're going to see. We're solving for x. Okay, and so we want to use the fact that these are corresponding angles, right? So, and we know they're congruent. Okay, so these are corresponding. Do you see that? So we know these are equal angles. So what we're going to say is that we're going to say 73 degrees is equal to this angle here, 2x plus 1 degrees. Okay, and so in this situation, we're just going to solve for x. Right, so start by subtracting 1 from both sides. So go minus 1, minus 1. Okay, so we got 72 is equal to 2x. Okay, and then divide by 2 on both sides. Right? And you get that x is equal to 72 divided by 2 is 36. So 36 degrees. Okay, so that's that problem right there. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. Good luck on the worksheet.